like to record for you our beginners solo social foxtrot routine number 2. I actually taught this on the 4th of May 2020, but we had an issue when we were trying to upload our routines into our new YouTube channel. So yes, it is 2022, but I'm trying to go back and fill the gaps of some of the routines where the videos didn't quite upload. So I'm going to make a little start by facing the front. We adjusted our opening step to be something achievable for the living room. This is not the traditional first step in the ballroom, but I start with a little forward step, walk in, I'm going to come and close my feet close together and change the weight. Okay, so I'm going to go walk, walk, change the weight, walk, walk, change the weight, walk, walk, change the weight, walk, walk, change the weight. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. So that was a slight adjustment for being in a small space. The next step we did, left foot leading, was a promenade step. So I went to my left hand wall. So I'm going to walk left, right, face the front, and do my side close. Okay, so that was the second step. Third step was a little adjustment again of a sway step which we normally do in the ballroom. It has 6 quick counts, but we're going to tap at the end instead of close. So I'm going to do step, tap, tap, step, tap. That last tap in the ballroom would normally be a closing step, but remember we were starting to adjust all of our little routines for living room friendly practice, which means we can't go too far left or too far right. Let's put those 3 steps together. Walk, walk, close your feet, walk, walk, change the weight. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. Promenade, promenade, quick, 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 quick. Okay, so that was left foot leading, taking us a little way over to the left-hand side. Excuse me. We're going to do everything we just did, but on the right foot, and bring ourselves back. So let's do our right foot. Walk, walk, come together, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. Promenade, promenade, come together, little taps, 3 off. So side tap, side tap, side tap. Like I say, not closing at the end of that sway step as we would do normally in the ballroom. So that was our opening section 1. Section 2, we added in a little twinkle, okay? So I'm going to do forwards, side, cross, slide, side, cross, slide, side, cross, slide, and close. So on the 4th one, I'm closing. I then did a little adjusted grapevine. Again, small and adjusted for the living room. Across, open, cross, open, cross, and point. Okay, so I'm just reducing the number of steps that I did because of the ballroom. Let's do that little section together. Left foot twinkle, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. And guess what? We did everything on our right foot. So again, here I am, right foot. I'm going to do my twinkle, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 tap. So section 2 was doing a twinkle on the left foot, a little adjusted grapevine, and then repeating it on the right foot. Note the difference between the starting step for the twinkle. On the left foot, it's a forwards opening step before we cross into the whisk position. And on the right foot, it's a back step, back and cross. That's reflective of the leaders and followers' differences, the leader being the one on the left going forwards and the follower normally being the one on the right. So that's section 2. Section 3, we added in a box step. I use a left foot, so this will be the leader's left foot, leading forwards, side together, back, side together, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. There's my box step. And I can try some rotation if I feel like it. Here. Now remember, this is only the beginner's solo routine too. There's a lot of content in here, so if you're a complete beginner to ballroom dancing, this might seem like quite a lot to practice. If you're a regular dancer, but you've just not done social foxtrot before, this hopefully shouldn't be too bad for you to pick up. Remember, this is just a short summary for you. Let me put all three sections together. Okay, so we started with the basic forwards. Walk, walk, come together, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, promenade. Walk, walk, side together, sway, 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 pause. Right foot, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, promenade. Walk, walk, side together. Sway, 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 pause. Section 2, twinkles. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, grapevine. Quick, 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 tap. Twinkle again. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 and then box step. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, with the rotation optional. Slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. There we go, guys. So thank you very much for watching. That was just a very, very short summary for you to practice your social foxtrot. That's beginner's solo social foxtrot. Everything adjusted for the living room, working on left and right leads, not paying particular attention to lead and follow as it would be traditionally in the ballroom. So there's plenty there whether you are a lady or a gent, and it doesn't matter what you normally dance in the ballroom. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.